So, hi everyone. So, today we are going to discuss about the git command that is called git revert. So, here's the definition of git reverse. This command, the revert command, help us to undo an existing commit. It does not delete any data in this process. Instead, git creates a new commit with the included files reverted to the previous state. So, your version control history moves forward while the state of the files moves backward. So yes, it is the main undo. So whatever the revert commands will undo the existing commit. So it will when you do a revert, it create a new commit ID, but it will the files. I mean the data in that commit ID will be get to the previous one. So it will not delete any data. So let's do the lab. So I have connected with my AWS instance and and yeah. So here's the lab. Okay, so I have connected with my instance through the putty. Let me make it large. So first, I need to use super user ID. So yeah, so let's verify what. So yeah, so here we have initially created the Mumbai directory, which is where variable git files are available. So let's enter into it. Here we list we have three files, branch one file, Mumbai server, and if you see commit ID, it show. So it show our commits. So here we have only two commit ID. So now, like we are going to create a new commit. We are going to create a new file. So here we go. So let's create a file, and file name will be file. So, so this is the data I'm saving in my revert file one. Control D if you want to verify. Yes. So, so now let's uh, let's move it from staging from working space to staging. So hit and now we need to cover it. So hit. Okay, so here we are committing it. This message. Okay, we are giving the message to that file. So let's the revert file, three files change to inserted. So this look like the previous files calculated. So let's see. So here it is the new commit ID which we have created. And now let's we have committed it. Okay. So now again use the we are going to add the so this cat cat and then double greater than symbol revert file. So this is used to like we need to add data. Okay, so we need to it is used to add the data to existing file. It will not just overwrite, it will just add. So, so in the command, it is wrong one. It is not correct. Gate revert will not delete command. But for the example, we are doing this one. So Control D, verify. Yeah. Okay. So yes, both lines are added. Now committed. So moving to staging area. So one file text is also what now we see the commentary. So yes, so this is the second one wrong commit we can see, and this is the first commit. So now we verify that the wrong commit, this commit ID need to be, it's a wrong info statement and we need to delete it. So what we have to do, commit, which we have wrong data. So we need to revert it. So to revert it, we just need to type git revert and then space commit ID, and now hit enter. So you will get like a editor, text editor. So you have to insert I, and here you can give message. Okay, this one. Now escape, shift double colon, double Q. Okay. So yes, it's got changed, and now if we see again git log, so you can see it is a new command, new commit ID, and this is the previous one which we did wrong one, and here you can see the message revert wrong commit. Kindly ignore this commit ID. So we have given the command this commit ID need to be ignored. Actually, we need to copy this command. We need to copy this commit ID and we need to paste it here. But we didn't. So just note that one. If you the commit ID which is wrong, you need to just mention on the message. So it will give clear information on it. So now let's verify the file. So here you can see we have only one line right now. That is the revert command is used to undo an existing commit. So it has been successfully got reverted. It's about untracked files. So untracked files like files which are not committed or not moved to the staging mode. So there's a number of files may be available which we are not need to commit. So we need to delete that file. So how we are going to delete? So that's we are going to discuss on this one. So let's have the lab. Let's make it clear. So now I'm going to create files. So touch command also, like how we use cat to create a file, we also use touch command. And using touch, you can create a number of files in a single command. So like for example, file one, file eight, make it as file A, file B, file C, file B. Okay, so here we can see file A, file B, file C, file D. We have created for this file, and there's no any data we have given. We just created the files. And if you want to see the status of the Git, okay, so your branch and origin have divided. You have three and one different commit each respectively. Use Git tool to merge the remote branch into US. So that is another track. And untracked files. Here you can say use Git add to include this file. What will be committed? So to move it, it's giving the instruction. You need to use add command to move it to the staging area. Nothing added to the commit, but untracked file present. Use Git add to track. So these are the files are still in the workspace, and it is not committed yet. So we don't need to commit that one. So we need to delete this one. So we can use git clean hyphen n. So it will like would remove file A for a minute. So if it's still see actually. So yes, it's asking you, do you want to clean? So yes, we need to make yes, we need to clean delete it. So then we use the same command, git clean. So delete, but we need to force it. It will also delete that one, but it will maybe take time. But we need to clean forcefully right now. So we can do that by using the command git clean hyphen yeah. And once we hit removing file A, B, file B, file C. And now again we can see git status. So that's nothing on the commit ID. So git tag is used to give the tag to the commit ID. So tag is like giving us a reference name. So for the particular commit ID, so using that reference name, we can pull out that commit ID. So let's do the lab on it. Let's do with example. So I want to verify how many commit IDs are available now. So we show we need to use git log hyphen hyphen one line with the I made it as well online. So sorry, so mistake. So here the let's create again. So git git log hyphen one line. So using this command, what are the commits we have that we will get, and so these are the different commit IDs. So let's give the tag to the my first commit, this one. So git tag action. What we have to do the tag name? Production. So I missed this one. Git tag m message. Any message you need to make hyphen m. So then what is read? Yes. This is production. And okay. Now git tag. So yes, we have one tag, and if we verify that commits, so git log. Okay, so here you can see. Wait. I think we didn't give the commit ID, so that's why it's by default is to it's take the given the tag to the commit ID, last commit ID which we have given. You can see here. Actually, we need to give the name, but we are not given that name. So it's given the tag to the default with the last commit ID which we have given. So no issue, that's fine. We are learning. So let's do it again. Git tag hyphen uh, it has okay. So here we are going to so let's do the lab on the Git lab Git tag. Okay. So first we need to verify what are the commit ID we have. So Git let's give the uh, so let's get it. We will get the commits. So you can see it's the we have already given the production tag. So let's leave it. Let's give it. So tag hyphen action tag name uh, is testing message messages testing enter. Now let's start the tag. So what are the tags we have? We have two tags. Setting and online. So yes, it's the tag, testing tag, it's the production tag. We have two tags. So now let's try to delete it using delete the commit ID uh, using the tag. So git uh, okay. So here we can see. So this is the option we are getting now. So how to verify? So now we git tag. Then two tags are available. Now check that git show. So we are verifying the commits through the testing one. Okay. So this is the testing unit. This is the message, and this is the first commit which I'm doing. What message here? This is my first GitLab. This is the command. This is the instruction we are going to commit. Now let's try to delete it. So git delete. Yeah. So git tag delete production. We are deleting the commit. Now see. So we have deleted the tag. Tag. We have already one tag. Do you go with the next term that is git clone? Git clone is like we are cloning the files from the central repository that is GitHub to the local repository or from local to the central repository. So that is git pull command is uh, used to clone the files from the GitHub, and push command is used to clone the files or push the file from local repository to the central repository. So here I already have logged in my GitHub account, and in my GitHub account I am in master branch where we can see two uh, where I can see two files name. So actually, I'm in central. Let's go again. So under my name, I'm in. So this is my repository, central Git. Okay. So let's back to this one. So right now we are in local repository that is not Git. So come out from this one. Now we have only one local repository that is mobile Git, and to now we just need to clone the GitHub. We have to use git clone, then URL of the here's the URL. Just copy and paste. Okay, so you can see remote is first enumerated, then counting objects, compressing object total, reused item, receiving data 100% 9 by 9. And once we do, you can see central. So this is the repository which was available on the GitHub. Now it's under the local repository. Previously we have only one repository, but now we have two repository. So let's go under the central Git ULS. We can see use files Mumbai 1 and Mumbai server 2. So right now we have successfully pull the repository from the hub to the local repository. Now we need to move the file from our local repository to the GitHub central repository. So how to do that? First, we need to create a file that is touch file file A. So it is created. It's file. Now it's status. So yes, we have one file which need to be which is one run now under the working space. So we need to move it on the stage. Just keep add commit, commit, search. So we have committed it. Right now it is successfully committed on the central repository, which is now in local. And now to move it to the GitHub, we need to use git push master. So we pass the password username. So it's getting failed. So the password. Okay, so I need to change the. I need to verify the password. Just keep. So actually, there's a new method introduced by the GitHub. Instead of password, we used to use token. So I just changed my token, and here you can see. Uh, so git push margin, git push origin master. So then I enter my ID and the password. I just copy that token into this one and hit enter. So it's successfully removed object, and you can see compressing writing object 100% complete, total 3. So it has been successfully updated. So now move to our GitHub account. Page. central repository. So here you can see we have file A which has been successfully, and this is going to be GitHub this. The data is available on the one, so it has been successfully copied to the GitHub repository. So like this, we whatever the codes we new developers generate, so they have to make it push to the GitHub. So previously we used the terminal. I mean, not we used the terminal of the Linux, and we did that one. Now let's do with the same thing. We need to create a file, and we need to commit it, and we need to branch through the. We try to do that. So on the here's on the on the GitHub website. Okay. So currently we are in the repository, and we are in master one. There's no any branches we have. We are in master branch. So to do that, we'll click this one. Click. So if you select that one here, you can see the option creates new branch. So yes, we need to create new branch one, and so let's create branch. So just refresh. So here we go, branch one. So we know that when we create a new branch, so whatever the files available on the master, it will get copied into the newly created one. So this here you can see all the files which are available on the master branch. It is available at the branch one. And even if you go to the master, so you will see the same. And let's go back to the branch one. Same. Okay. So now try to create a file now. Okay. So add file, create a new file. We are creating a new file in the branch one. Okay. So you can file name, new file, new file, and we give it as I this branch one file. We merge it after. So here you can see if you don't want to description it's commit. So you here we have the option like commit directly to the branch one, or create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. So from here we can also create a new branch. So not needed. We already have created a new branch one. So let's commit it. So new file A is successfully we have created, and if we see on the master, it has only three files, and in branch one we have four files. Right now, so let's we need to merge it to the master one. Okay, so let's go to the pull request, compare and pull. Here you can see. So opening a query, create a new pull request by comparing the changes across two chain branches. You need to change compare across groups. So what is going to do? It shows yes we can able to manage. There is no any conflict on this file. So from branch one, it's going to merge with the master one. Okay, and we just give a command. Create a pull request. So it's checking for the ability to merge automatically. Continuation is not good enough. This branch has no conflict with the base branch. So yes, there is no issue with that is showing. So now we can select merge pull request. It will need to confirm. So yes, need to confirm merge. So pull request successfully merged and closed. We need to delete the branch. No, not needed. Verified. And now it's showing merge. So go to the master, and here you can see the new file is successfully from branch 1 we have successfully merged to the master branch. So this are we are doing the GUI, same thing which we did through the commands. So commit and commit and the commit. So that's all for the today, and we will discuss more about in later videos. Thank you. Have a good day.